The Gospel according to Matthew. The coming of the Son of Man will be like what happened in the time of Noah. In the days before the flood, people ate and drank, men and women married, up to the very day Noah went into the boat. And they did not realize what was happening until the flood came and swept them all away. That is how it will be when the Son of Man comes. At that time, 2 men will be working in the field. One will be taken away, the other will be left behind. 2 women will be at a mill grinding meal. One will be taken away, the other will be left behind. Be on your guard then, because you do not know what day your Lord will come. If the owner of the house knew the time when the thief would come, you can be sure that he would stay awake and not let the thief break into his house. So then, you also must always be ready, because the Son of Man will come at an hour when you are not